Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's start painting this Tacoma. The top has been scraped down, all the gray has been removed, and it's ready to start painting. Now, why am I painting the top first? Because I don't want to be climbing whenever I start painting the bottom portion of the truck. I don't want to be climbing and coming down, so I'd rather just paint the top. It does have a seam here. I removed it, so that's going to be divided whenever I paint the bottom. So that's the reason I'm going to be doing that. Let's just get to it. It's going to be a 3-stage pearl. Let's just begin. The gun I'm going to be using, it's a 1.3 tip. It's a Welcome Carbonio 360 light with 1.3 tip, like I mentioned. And I am going to be using the PPS cups. All these products, you can find them in the description below. Let's get to it. It's going to be sealer first. The sealer has been sprayed, 1 coat, that's all it needs. Now, I don't know if you guys seen the new painting booth. I removed the compressor, turned it around, put it on the other side. I installed more lights, so hopefully it's a lot brighter for you guys and for me. But we're gonna let this set for about 15 minutes. Then come back, use a tack rag, clean it up, start applying that first coat of base. This is going to be the base. This is the base color for that pearl. It's Starfire White base coat, step 1. The pearl, it's a 3-stage, guys. It's going to be the base, then the pearl, then the clear. All right, so something a little bit different for you guys. It's almost like spraying candies, but in pearl. 15 minutes have passed. I already tack ragged it, and look at all the mess it picked up. So it's a real good idea to use a tack rag in between each coat of base. The first coat of base have been applied. I'm going to apply 3 coats. Now, I forgot to mention how I did it on the molding. I use this trim tape. This is what I use to lift up the molding so that the paint can go inside. Let me show you how it works. It's a strip of tape with some plastic. Let me tear one piece. This is all it is. This part is plastic, hard plastic, and the white is where the sticky tape is. So what you do, you put this plastic on the back of the molding, you remove the white paper and just pull it, and it'll lift the molding, and just tape it up and just keep on going. I tore a piece. They come in sections. You can use as much as you want and just it'll lift up that molding. That's how this thing works. Real nice. I'll leave the information in the description. So let me just spray the other 2 coats, then I'll come back and show you the pearl. The 3 coats of base have been applied. Now I'm gonna wait about 15 minutes. I've been waiting 15 minutes in between each coat, but I'm gonna wait another 15 minutes, come back, start mixing this pearl. This is step number 2, white pearl mid coat. Let me mix it up, pour it in the cup, put it in the gun, start spraying. This pearl is mixed 2 to 1. 2 parts of the pearl, 1 part of the reducer. I am going to be using slow because it's about 95 degrees in here. So slow reducer will be the best. Here's the pearl, guys. Now you got to mix it because it settles to the bottom. Just mix it up real well. Make sure all the bottom, the pearl from the bottom just mixes right, and put it in the cup. Here it is. The pearl has been mixed with the reducer 2 to 1. Let me pour it in the cup, start spraying. I did show the customer 2 samples. One of them had 2 coats of pearl, the other one had 4 coats of pearl. He decided to go with the 4 coats, so we're going to be applying 4 coats of pearl on the top. That is one of the reasons I like to spray the top first, because if I am doing this, painting everything at the same time, and I'm moving the ladder to one side or another, I'm gonna scratch that vehicle with fresh paint. So that's one of the reasons. The first coat of pearl has been applied. Let me apply 3 more, and I'll bring you back once the 3rd coat has been applied. The 4th coat, I'm sorry, has been applied, so that you can see it. But yes, that's one of the reasons I do this separate. There it is, 4 coats of pearl. Let's start mixing that clear so we can start applying it. The clear I'm going to be applying is American Icon C820 Euro Clear with medium activator. I should be using slow, but I don't have slow right now. But I'll be using medium activator. It'll work. I'm going to be applying 4 coats because it's the top. I'm going to apply 4 coats to the top and 4 coats to the hood also. So let's just mix it up. This is mixed 2 to 1, and spray it. The gun I'm going to be using, it's a Welcome Carbonio 360 Light clear gun, but with a 1.2 tip MP air cap. There you go. 4 coats of clear. Now I'm going to let it dry so that I can start blocking this primer right here and finish up the truck. there it is. And this will be it, guys. This will be it for this video. I'll see you this coming Wednesday, and have a great weekend. Have a great week. I'll see you next this coming Wednesday, guys. Thank you, and stay safe.